G'day, we're going to have a look at Edifier's latest newest multimedia speaker, the QS30. Now this is a Bluetooth wireless speaker and it runs off Bluetooth version 5.4, which means it has very good long range and has a nice reliable wireless connection. Now this size itself is what I consider a tabletop desktop speaker, and just to give you an idea of the size itself, now this is just a normal, what I would say, a Dell keyboard. It's a full-size Dell keyboard and it's pretty much about the same sort of size. So just give you an idea of the length of it. So it's not a small speaker by any means, and even though this is a wireless speaker, it does have USB Type A cable that belongs to the back of it. Now this is more used for powering the speaker itself, and you can also connect it to another device that has USB Type A port to provide the audio stream, or else you can use in Bluetooth mode. Now it also has an integrated microphone, so you can actually take on calls or do video conferencing through this, which is really nice. And you can see we've got some nice lighting effects, which we'll go into a little bit later on, which is a bit of range of different lighting effects here. Now it does have two 2-inch drivers, and they output a total of 5 RMS, so 2.5 RMS on each drive itself, or here in Australia we'll call it 52mm drivers, and that's what they have. Now just to let you know, there is no subwoofer, so you don't actually get any of that really deep down punchy bass that you get, that nice low rumbling bass itself from these speakers, but you still get quite a bit of bass. The speakers do come in two colors, white and black. Now this one I've got here is the white version. It's very nice, I must admit. And just having a look at the top of the buttons, these are what I say rubberized buttons. They have a nice feel to it. They are mechanical, so you can actually feel it. At the moment I'm pressing the power button. As you see, it goes from the red, which tells you it's in computer mode using USB, and then you press it again, and then it goes into Bluetooth mode. At the moment it's trying to pair, but it's in hidden mode, and once it's paired it will be solid blue here. Now we also have the volume down key, and then we also have the play and pause button here, and then we've got the volume key and then the lighting effects. Now as you press this, it will cycle through the different lighting effects here, so that's really nice that you can actually go through the different ones here, as it's really nice to build. It also has some recess at the back here on here for the speakers to actually just push some of the bass out here, and also with the USB A cable here. Now this is a lengthwise, you're looking at 1.5 in length for the USB Type A cable. I really enjoy the Hall effect that Edifier has put into the sides. It's just great looking there, especially with the size. So it's really nice because it more shows you the bit of a depth down here. There are two types of applications that run off the Edifier QS30. There is the mobile app, which is the Edifier Connect X, and also the desktop app, which is the Edifier Tempo Hub, which we'll explore right now. Now, just to let you know, when you connect by USB to this QS30 speakers, the actual volume keys on the computer itself is independent to the QS30 device. So you on the device itself, you do need to change the volume on the device rather than actually through the computer volume. So they are running independent, just to let you know about that. But if you connect by Bluetooth, the actual volume on the computers will also automatically change the volume on the speaker itself. Now, at the moment you can see we've got some sounding effects, which has music, game, and movie. Now, you can change them accordingly. Now, here's where you can change the lighting effects. Now, you can actually customize to the different themes that it has, like rainbow, breathe, sound, light. And you can also go with the static colors. Now, the static colors, of course, you can just change that, and that will change for all the lighting effects for this speaker. You can also create some customized ones, which are actually done, so you can actually choose the color and then add it as a customized color, which you can shoot very quickly. So that's really nice, and you can change the brightness here and the modulation. Now, with these ones here, like for example the breathe, you can actually change the brightness and also the lighting modulation, basically going through its cycle to see how fast or how slow you want it to be. And then as for the other settings here, it pretty much just tells you the actual MAC address and the firmware it's running off, and gives you a factory reset if you want. And now I'm going to give you an idea of the sound quality difference comparison between the built-in speakers from a TV and the Edifier QS30. Now I have both speakers leveled at around about 60 decibels, so you shouldn't hardly get any volume difference, and it's just be the sound quality. Now I'm going to start off the built-in speakers from the TV first, so just get a little bit of a listen. And now I'm going to switch this over to the QS30 from Edifier. Now I do find that the Edifier is more fuller in sound. Of course, we've got a little bit more bass. Measuring the maximum volume of the QS30 at 1 meter away from the speakers, it managed to measure a peak of 78.5 decibels. Having a good play and listen to the Edifier QS30, especially the sound quality and the volume itself, it is definitely better than most built-in speakers from TVs and most monitors that I've actually listened to. So these are definitely an upgrade to those devices, and they should have come at a decent price here. Now unfortunately I don't have the exact retail price as this video was recorded before the release date, and I definitely will put the link in the description below so you can actually check out the product itself and see the actual pricing itself. Now I hope you find this video informative, enjoyed. If you did, hit support my channel, smash that like button for me, share this video, it does help me out, and as always, imperfections in life makes it beautiful and interesting, and I'll see you next video.